As we battle inflation and the rising cost of living, it seems now more than ever we need to generate additional streams of income. The stats show that 44% of Brits have a side hustle which generates £206 a week, which is roughly £10,700 a year. So how do you start a side hustle? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how to do this in 5 simple steps. Number 1, define your skills. If you know what your skills are, then great, you can move on to step 2. But if you don't, then I have 3 tasks I'd like to challenge you to do. And the first of it is to self-reflect. Ask yourself the following questions. What activities am I naturally drawn to? What do I enjoy doing in my free time? If I had complete control of my day, what would I like to spend most of the day doing? And literally, when you ask yourself these questions, make a list of everything that comes to mind. The second part of this is to get feedback from those around you who see you regularly and whose advice you trust. And you can ask them what they think comes naturally to you and what you do quickly but well in comparison to other people that they may have given the same task to. And you can also ask them what they think you may be good at, as this can give you some idea, potentially, of your hidden characteristics and skill sets. And the last part is to look at your CV. And if you don't have a CV, don't panic. The idea behind this is to review any paid or unpaid roles or responsibilities that you've had and to make a list of the different skills that you would have had to develop in carrying out the day-to-day tasks associated with your roles of responsibility. And then you can take it a step further. As you recap the different roles or responsibilities that you had and the tasks associated with them, think about whether or not you liked carrying out those tasks, and if you did, delve deeper and try and identify why you enjoyed them, as that can also give you a clue into the different skills that you have. The second thing is to define your audience. Now that you've identified the list of skills that you have to offer to people, the next thing you need to do is to define your audience. You need to define who you are selling to, because this will affect how you market your products to them. It will also help you tailor your products or services to meet their needs, and in understanding your market, you'll be able to unlock any hidden opportunities that other people haven't yet tapped into that could be a great niche for you to start off with. If you're skilled in doing makeup, then you could become a makeup artist, but you need to define your market. Do you want to do makeup for weddings? Do you want to do makeup for birthdays? Do you want it to do makeup for high-end production? And in choosing who your audience is, you'll then be able to define what your price point is, because a price point for a wedding may be different to that of a birthday party, just because the stakes are higher and a lot more of your time will be taken up for a wedding shoot and dealing with the bride and the bridesmaids than it would do a birthday party client, for example. 3, define your USP. USP stands for unique selling point, and it helps you to identify that value that you're giving to others that they can't get elsewhere. And there are so many successful people who have a clear USP. Take Jackie Aina as an example. Her USP was creating makeup reviews for women of colour who were being overlooked at the time. Walmart, their USP is allowing us to have great quality product at discounted prices. Or Amazon Prime. They allow you to have virtually anything that you want on the same day or the next day without having to leave your house, which is a different level of convenience. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe if you haven't done so already. 4, document your journey online. I know it can be daunting, but start showcasing the skills and services that you have to offer. Posting online is a great way to do this. Reason being, the barrier to entry is quite low. Most social media platforms are free. We all have a phone or know someone who has a phone, so we can easily take a picture and record a video of what we're doing in our day. And again, most editing apps are free, so you can literally edit your videos and pictures on the go as you carry out your day-to-day. By posting your work online, you're in essence marketing yourself, and it can also help with social proofing, which in the long term can help to get you more clients, because people know that you're real, that you can deliver on the work, they can access the work that you've done in the past, and they know that if they pay you, they will get the service that they paid for. Posting your work online also helps with credibility. The more you post, the more you'll be seen as an expert in the relative field. Point number 5, just start. Once you've got your skill sets, you've defined your audience, and you have a clear USP, just start. Let those around you know that this is your latest venture. So if you are a photographer, or you're a videographer, or you like to do makeup, let people around you know that they can come to you for those services. And I know it sounds counterintuitive because this video is all about making money, but at the beginning, don't focus on money. Focus on giving people more than they bargained for. Focus on delivering quality and great services, because what you don't want is to deliver a service and it's quite bad, and as a result taint your reputation, and therefore that can kind of hinder your growth in the long term. You want to focus on quality, you want to focus on the highest customer satisfaction that you can get, and then word of mouth will help to market your business and it will naturally just grow. And when you start out, it's important to get feedback. Get feedback from anyone who will be honest about your service and the quality of it. And then you can use those feedback points as a tool to enhance the quality of your service and the quality of your product, which again, in the long term, will have such great benefits. And as you carry out your services, look for opportunities to upskill. And examples of how to do this include watching YouTube videos, practicing new techniques in your spare time, paying for courses, speaking to other established experts in the field and getting their advice on how you can level up in your service delivery. And the benefits of upskilling is, again, a long-term benefit. By enhancing the level of your service, you will improve the quality of your products and therefore enhance the reputation of your brand, which you could therefore use to argue a premium pricing strategy. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, don't forget to comment on what the most useful piece of advice was, and I will link below over here somewhere links to other videos that I've created which I think you'll enjoy. And that's it from me. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.